Hello, it's Miss Esther. I found a naughty villain, Maleficent. Do you like my outfit? Speaking of naughty villains, I have a letter that's kind of naughty. This is N. Hello, N. N the naughty newt got into nail polish. And do you know what? He started writing on the walls with nail polish. And the mother said, mm. That's the action found on the back of the book. Do that with me again. Ready? Mm. I think that's what my mother would say if I got into nail polish and started writing on the walls. I'm going to read part of the story and you do the action for me, okay? N the naughty newt painted his name numerous times on the nursery walls with neon nail polish. Mm, said his mother as she shook her finger at the newt. You are a naughty newt, she exclaimed. You should never paint your name on the nursery walls with nail polish. So for fun today, you're going to get to have some nail polish. And the activity found in the Amazing Action Alphabet Activity book is this N. And you take that nail polish and you can say as you're decorating N the newt with nail polish. This one's pretty fancy. You can use lots of different colors and it can come out quite nice. Another fun activity is if your instructor takes your handprint and puts letters that she wants you to review, then once you say the name and sound, you can color in that fingernail. So if you know this letter, P, and the sound, P, you get to take your fingernail polish and color that in. If you are ready to write the letter N, the beginning writing handbook, just remember, start at the head, go down to the feet, go down to its bottom and down to its tail, or from its tail to its bottom. N goes down to its hand, up and around. Then for you that are ready for the second level of writing, the N goes from the top of the tree down to the grass, top of the tree, down to the mouse hole, top of the tree, back down to the mouse hole. The baby N goes to the middle tree branch, down to the grass, up and around to the mouse hole. It doesn't get to see the worms on this letter. Okay, the rest of you that are ready for the reading book, the Amazing Action Alphabet Beginning Reader, the word family is the An and In word family. So I took a copy of that N the naughty newt and I put An so we can read the word man. Here we go. Tan, man, pan, and so forth. Or I found another dog and I just put the words in, sin, and win, and all those word families just to make it a little bit more enjoyable. Then to make it enjoyable for you when you're reading the words found in the story, I colored out each picture with nail polish. And if you can read the words on the nail polish jar, you can match it with the picture. So this is pan. And then the picture of the word pan is colored with nail polish, so those match. Fan matches with the fan that the cat's on. Now you're ready to read the story. This story is about a cat named Nan. And Nan is trying to find a place to sleep. And finally, I think she finds a place to sleep on her mom. I think that makes her happy. Okay, for these activities and more, you can visit the website at www.seeheardocompany.com.